Not every space is meant to stay the same. Some spaces are meant to evolve, to become something greater than what they once were. This room was never just a room to me. It was potential. A blank canvas waiting for intention, for vision, for discipline. Because the life I'm building now, by God's grace, requires more of me. More structure, more focus, more from me. So this isn't just a clean slate, it's a standard. A reflection of the mindset I'm stepping into. Commitment to becoming better. This is more than a gym for me. This is a lifestyle change. Designed with intention. This room could have been an office, a reading room, or just a recreational room. But no, lifestyle change it is. Why, hello there, welcome. Welcome to Brandi Films. My name is Brandi, and here in this video, I'm gonna show you my DIY gym build. If you know, then you know. I'm a person who loves to be at home. I love spending time at home, decorating, doing projects. I'm all about making my home feel nice and cozy. And so with that being said, I decided to build my own gym inside of my home. A lot of people build their gyms in their garages, which, hey, there's nothing wrong with that, right? A lot of people have heated garages, but the reason why I decided to build my own gym within inside of my home is because I personally just don't want to work out in the garage. It would feel very, very cold, not necessarily like physically, but just, you know, the cement walls, you know, I don't know, spider webs, you know, things like that. And if you know, then you know, but like I am like an aesthetic person. Like I love to feel good. I like to smell good. I like things to look pretty. Like I just thrive in environments that just like look good to me. It just like makes me feel good. And that also like helps me like do my best in whatever it is that I'm doing. So in-home gym it is, okay? I literally gutted one of the rooms in the home to build out this gym. I was like, okay, we are going to completely take everything out of here. We are going to clean this room from top to bottom, and we are going to transform it into my very own gym. I'm like really, really excited. I think that's enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and dive in. This room previously served as a storage room. There were liquids spilled everywhere and it was just a mess. We are first going in to get this room nice and clean. This workout mat is absolutely incredible. It is extremely comfortable, lots of cushion, and just what I was looking for. By the way, if you are wondering, no, this YouTube channel that you are watching this video on is not turning into a workout channel. I actually have a separate channel called Brandi Films Food and Fitness, and that has the and symbol between food and fitness. And so over there is where I am going to be filming all things food and literal fitness. So that includes things like workouts. I am on a health and wellness journey, and I am absolutely loving it. But for this video here on this channel, this is a room makeover or room transformation kind of video where we are taking my used to be storage room and transforming it into my very own gym. So you will have to stay tuned for the end of this video, because at the end of this video, I let you know something super exciting. In essence, what to expect in the next video here on this channel, all still in my gym here. So my DIY home gym consists of an elliptical, a treadmill, a bike, and a weight area. The reason why I decided to go with these pieces of exercise equipment is because these are the things that I like to do at the gym, okay? I personally have recently started a weight loss or a health journey, and I am going about it in an extremely realistic way. I'm not having surgery. I'm not on any weight loss drugs. I'm not doing any of that. I am just doing the old-fashioned choosing healthy foods, moderation, still enjoying fun foods sometimes, and exercising. I knew a while ago, honestly, that I wanted to invest into my health. This has been something that I've been wanting to do, is transform a room into a gym. I just hadn't pulled the plug on it yet. And so what I did is I took some money that I had saved up, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it, okay? I'm going to Google. I did a ton of research. I literally did so much research, trying to find the best treadmill, the best bike, the best elliptical, the best workout mat, all the things. I have so many screenshots, so many notes. And so I do believe that I did find the best equipment from Amazon. And so far it is working great. Now, the caveat to the cost of my gym is that I did pay to have someone put together each piece of equipment, okay? Except like for like all of the weights and stuff, obviously. I didn't need anybody to put that together for me, or like the rug came already like assembled, like the treadmill, the elliptical, and the bike. I paid for somebody to like put that together because like I tried, like I started, and like it was like not gonna work out for me. So yeah, that would have taken me like months to put together each thing. So I did pay to have somebody do that, and that was a few $100s. But in my personal opinion, it was totally worth it because this is workout equipment. This is investing into my health. This is great, right? And I know that you can still be unhealthy and be working out and things can still, I get all that. But for me, at this time in my life, God has blessed me. I give all praise be to God for him providing me with finances to be able to purchase all of these items for my in-home gym. In this video, I just showed you how I put together my in-home gym. However, in the next video, we are actually going to decorate my gym together. Yes, you heard that correctly. We are going to be decorating my gym, okay? Like, did you think we were just gonna like keep those like blank walls and like, no. I will be transforming the closet in my gym by adding like a mini refrigerator, adding in waters, drinks in there, TV, and things like that. So you'll have to stay tuned here on this channel for when I decorate my gym. If you're interested in following my weight loss or my health journey or anything like that, like if you're into that content, or if you just started your journey, or if you're on your journey and you want to do this together, for quick reference, feel free to go check out my food and fitness channel, Brandi Films Food and Fitness. And that has the and symbol within the middle of food and fitness. So Brandi Films Food and Fitness is where I'm going to be documenting my health journey. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one, God willing.